What are you doing? What?
Go get it. Go get it. Right there. Bring it back.
Xem yêu nếm xem.
Oh, you made him jump.
Go.
Are you stuck? Good puppy. You okay?
Lucy, what are you doing? Are you going somewhere? Are you taking your bed?
What did you do? No, I'm not gonna give you belly rubs.
You want to go on a car ride? Let's go. We're going on a car ride.